Hey YouTube, it's Phoebe. How are you? Don't mind the hair. Haven't had it cut since January. Need to cover the grays, but what can you do? So I hope everybody's doing okay and staying safe. And I just uploaded my fishing tackle box card video from a while ago. Had technical difficulties with the one I was doing, so forget about it. I'm going to upload my original one, so please check that out. So what I'm doing today is, as you can see my mess behind me, I've been going through my craft room and trying to go through my stash, see what I have, and when I see something, I play with it. Because if you don't touch it, you're not going to use it, and it's just going to sit there and you've wasted your money. So what I found was some sheets, just scrap sheets of paper from Photoplay, and the set was called, that's Photoplay, the Muttcracker. So this is a set of cards, all dog theme. So I used the sheet from the Muttcracker, and I also used some sheets from Simple Stories Merry and Bright collection. So the first one are two dogs drumming with a definition of Mary on it, and I thought these guys are so cute. And this is the inside. It says, "Get your Mary on." And I was hoping to find something that said like Ruff-a-Pum-Pum or something like that. So I thought that would be really cool. So, love it. This one kind of reminds me of Harry Potter. I don't know which movie, but it's the one where they're on the bus. And this one is fa la 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 and all that jazz. And for the snow, I use this snow marker. Ooh, is it upside down? Snow marker pen from Marvy. Couldn't find it in any stores, had to order it online. This is just a, it was made, no, it's paper, sorry. I thought it was my foam one. This is just paper that I went over with clear stickles, and the white I went over with my white gel pen. As everybody knows, I think a white gel pen is like one of your #1 accessories. And this one just says Merry Christmas. And these are two little Scotty dogs. Spread cheer, and I just use stickles and tartan paper. Tartan paper for the inside, and the best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear. Double bonus points if you know what movie that's from. Elf. Okay. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. There we go. And this is just highlighted with stickles, little gold ribbon, and this was the back of one of the cutout pages. I just thought it was cute with the bones. And this one says, "Get your Mary on." And like the front, I put some gold ribbon and just stamped a couple little trees. And this one says, "Happy Holidays." And this little guy is all sparkly down. He's got his little red nose. On the inside it says Merry Christmas and ho 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 at the bottom. These are all pre-made cards that I got. These are Michael's, one of the value pack sets, when they had them like 50% off. So great if you don't want to make any cards, just pick that up. This last one is Happy Holidays. And those of you that have weenie dogs will love this. And just did a little bit of stickles, did a little bit of the Snow Rider on the white. And this paper looks like a sweater, so that's why I did there. And it says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." So I hope you enjoyed the cards, had fun making them, and just looking around and see what I've got, because Lord knows I've got nothing to do right now but craft or go out in the pool if it's not raining. So anyway, hope everybody's staying safe. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much. Love you even more. And we will talk to you soon. Bye now.